All right, hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I got these nails and just keep watching, if you're new here, thank you. Hi, my name is Jocelyn. Thank you for stopping by. If you're not new, thank you for coming back. All right, and let's get started on what you'll need. So you're gonna need some self-adhesive hooks. I got these from Dollar Tree, as well as some poster tack. And I also got that from Dollar Tree as well. And you also are going to need some nails, any kind of nails of your choice, full cover nails though. UV lamp, this one is from Amazon. And I'm going to go ahead and start setting up. So I'm going to take one of the hooks, and I'm going to take a little bit of the poster tack, and I'm going to form a little ball, and I'm going to stick it right on the edge of that hook. And this is just going to help us when we paint our nails and be able to design them without having to hold them or anything like that. And it also works well for curing because you just stick it right in the lamp. So as you can see, I'm using the Macart coffin nails. I got these off of Amazon. I want to say it was like $7.99. I'm going to use a size 0 for my thumbs, a size 3 for my pointer and ring finger, 2 for my middle finger, and a 5 for my pinky. I highly suggest you guys write this down. It helps when you do other sets so that you already know what your sizes are. I'm also going to take this Wonder Gel base coat, and I'm just going to lightly go over each nail. And then I'm going to pop that into my UV lamp for 60 seconds. Some people rough up the fake nail, but I don't feel like I need to do that with these nails, but feel free to do that if you'd like. Just make sure to brush off any dust residue or anything like that afterwards. Then I'm gonna go in with this UR Sugar Color Gel. I got this off of, I think it was either Wish or AliExpress. It's in UR03, the Nude series. This is such a beautiful color. As you can see, like, that's just one coat right there. It's so opaque. It was so affordable. I want to say it was less than $2 for this bottle. When I'm telling y'all, do not pay. If you can wait, you know, that time that it takes to get from China, wherever, I would highly suggest it is worth waiting for, because you can get like 10 bottles for the price of one Madam Glam gel polish. But if you can't wait, then obviously, you know, do what you do. But if you can see that nail right there, that's it fully cured, and it's just so beautiful. I popped in the lamp for 60 seconds, and yeah, I didn't even go over it with the second coat, I don't believe, because it was just opaque from the get-go. So yeah, I'm just gonna paint the rest of those nails. I did do one set off camera. This is the ring finger design that we're going to do. And like I said, I did one off camera, so I'm just kind of comparing them so that I can see where I want to stop. Because I kind of want to do like a half glass nail type thing at the end. So I'm going to take that same nude color, and I'm just going to take it about halfway down the nail from the cuticle part. And then I'm going to go in with some acetone and a brush, and I'm going to kind of straighten up that line so that it's as crisp as I can get it. I'm not a professional, y'all. This is just, you know, me wanting to do something nice for myself and save a little bit of coins. So yeah. Sorry, it's out of frame. These angles was hard to get, but I promise I'll try to get better when I do nail videos. If this is something that you're interested in. I cannot talk today. Okay, then I'm going to pop that into the lamp, and then I'm just showing you the gold foil that I'm using, and I'm also going to use this daughter tool. I think I got both of those off of AliExpress, and I'm going to take that same base coat, and I'm just going to put it on that clear portion of the nail. I'm going to use this as my adhesive to adhere the gold flakes to the nail. As you can see, I'm putting on this napkin, and then I'm kind of roughing it up a little bit so that I can separate, because I don't want big pieces of foil on my nail. So yeah, I'm kind of like taking it apart so I can get little pieces of it, and I'm just kind of randomly placing it on the nail and trying to get it as flush to the nail as possible. I would definitely recommend that you guys go over after this with several coats of base coat just so that the nail feels even, because at the end, like I can feel it just a little bit. So this is what the nails will look like out of the lamp, cured, no top coat. Then I'm gonna go in with the No Wonder Gel no wipe top coat, and I'm gonna go ahead and top coat all of these nails, put them in the lamp and cure for 60 seconds. This top coat is really good. Like, I really like this brand. It gives amazing shine. It's just really good. It cures really well, and there's no inhibition layer after you cure it, so I really like that. So once they've all been cured, this is what your nails will look like. This color is actually a little bit darker than what it's showing up here. I think at the end you'll see. There you go. That's a little bit better vision. So now let's get into the application. I'm going to start with clean nails. This is a time where you would push back your cuticles, clean underneath your nails, and trim them. So I'm going to go ahead and take my clippers and trim my nails. Then I'm going to take these buffer blocks. I ended up just using the one that you see in my hand right now. And I'm just going to kind of rough up the surface of my nail bed. This is going to help with adhesion when it comes to your nails. So if you find that press-ons just don't work for you and they pop off if you look at somebody the wrong way, it's probably because your nail prep sucked, for lack of better words. And yeah, so if you prep the nails very well, you shouldn't have any issues. So I'm just taking off all the shine from my natural nail. Then I'm going to go with this Mia Secret Nail Prep. This is a dehydrator, so it's also going to dehydrate the nail and void it of any extra oils or moisture that's in the nail. And then I also use the Mia Secret Extra Bond Primer. So I went in with the dehydrator first. I'm just going to dehydrate the nails, and then I'm going to go over it with primer. Now, like I said, I'm no professional, y'all, so you know, make sure you're reading the instructions and how to use this stuff, because I don't want you saying that I put you onto something and, you know, burned your hands off. I don't know, but this works for me. Haven't had any issues, still got on my fingers, so, you know. Then I'm going to go on with this ASP Instant Nail Glue. I really like this nail glue. It's super affordable. I got it from Sally's. I want to say it was under $2 or right at $2 for the little tub or tube, whatever you want to call it. And as you can tell, I'm just roughing up the inside a little bit of the nail well. Excuse me. This is just going to also help with adhesion on the nail. And then I also put a little bit of glue in there, and then I also put a little bit on my nail because I really want these nails to stick. If you can see what I just did, I kind of slide the nail down my nail. That helps me push back the cuticle and get the nail as flush to the cuticle without being on my skin. So it gives it that appearance that the acrylic, you know, that it's laid and it's coming out of your nail bed rather than sitting on top. So same thing, I kind of slide it in, push it against my cuticle without getting on the skin. You can also use an e-file for the roughing up part. I have one, I just didn't feel like grabbing it because I was a little bit lazy at the moment. But yeah, so I'm gonna let you guys watch this. I'm gonna do the same thing, and then I'm also gonna do my other hand off camera, and then I'll come back. So this is what it's looking like so far. Super cute. Now you're going to see in a second with my pinky nail, I messed up a little bit. Make sure that you take your time and that you're sliding the nails on straight, because it looks like I got a whole broken pinky and you'll see it in a second. So make sure you're just taking your time and putting them on straight. See, look, my nails have a curve. That nail has a curve to it. It's not on straight, but yeah. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and file. These nails do have like a something on the tip of them. I know it has numbers inside of them, so that could be why. But I'm just gonna go ahead and polish that up with my file. Then I'm going to take this cuticle oil. It's actually from Sally's, and I just transferred it into this bottle so that I could use the dropper. And I got this bottle from like a local, nail shop. But yeah, any cuticle oil will work. And I'm just going to put a drop of that in, rub it in, massage it into my cuticles because since my hands is looking dry, and the cuticles, after adding all those chemicals and stuff, it also kind of dehydrates the cuticles, so it just kind of gives that moisture back and makes your nails look super good. Yeah, so that is the end of this video. This is what your nails are gonna look like. If you like these type of videos and would be interested in seeing some more, definitely let me know. See, that's the true color of the nude. Yeah, my name is Jocelyn. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.